Hey everybody, it's Neil, and I end up with so many devices like my GoPro, my Insta360, my cameras all over the place, and they're all needing these little micro SD cards. So I got myself this little set here, and it has a bunch of them in it. So let me show you guys what it comes with. It came with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, like 10 of them, and then the adapter for it here. But each one of these, they're not huge ones. They're only like 1 gig. So that's perfect for me for some of these ones here for like testing things and like that. So I can do this for some of the cameras, and especially some of the ones that aren't high def. It'll still do like a couple of days worth of storage on it. And so it's got these the little SD card there, and then it comes with an adapter as well. And I tried one of these in my computer and it worked great. So it was able to do it. It was actually pretty fast compared to some of my other ones, probably because it was just smaller size. But it was able to work, and it fit into my all my stuff. And it comes with the little adapter for this, and it also comes with the little adapter for this here. So this one here, so you can plug it into USB. You can stick the little. Let me get another one of these out. So I'll show you what I'm talking about, how it works. So you can get one of the little chips, and then it can go inside the little area there. Probably the right direction. Let me see how it goes. Okay, if I didn't have a million lights in my face, I could probably do this pretty good. Not sure why it's not going right now. But the concept is there. I just can't see it because all the lights. But you see, you just kind of put the little thing in there, and then it'll go into the computer. But for some reason, I'm just not getting it in there exactly. But you get the idea. So super cool. Comes with all the stuff you need, and I like this one. So it's kind of cool, and it's got the little cover for it there, so you can just have that. So you can connect it up to your computer that way. I usually connect things up. I don't even use this. My computer has a micro SD slot, so I just plug that right in. So super cool. Thumbs up.